Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone is stable. Plug it in or confirm battery above 30%, since deleting updates can restart processes. Once done, back up critical files. This prevents data loss if a rollback happens. Next, go straight to Settings and tap Software Update to see whether a download is pending or installed. You need this view to decide which deletion method to use. Make sure you note version numbers and any download status before continuing. Now you remove the leftover install files. First, go to Apps, find Settings and Samsung Update Services, then force stop and clear cache and data. This removes temporary packages. Next, clear Download Manager cache and inspect File Manager download folders for update ZIPs to delete manually. If the update installed as an app update, use three-dot menu to uninstall updates for system update apps. These steps stop automatic reinstallation and free storage that held the update package. Finish by rebooting. That applies deletions and forces the updater to reevaluate available packages. Once the phone restarts, open Software Update and disable Auto Download over Wi-Fi to prevent immediate redownload. If the update keeps reappearing, boot into safe mode to remove stubborn apps or wipe the system cache partition from recovery to clear installer remnants. If you still see issues, a factory reset as last resort will remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.